Adventurers, history buffs, and art enthusiasts, gather round. Ever dreamt of time traveling to the days of our ancestors? Today, we're journeying to a place where ancient hands reach out from the past, beckoning us to uncover their secrets. Welcome to the mesmerizing Cueva De Las Manos, Argentina's prehistoric masterpiece. Nestled deep in the heart of Argentina, this cave isn't just a rocky enclave. It's a UNESCO-inscribed treasure trove of stories spanning 13,000 years. From handprints that might have been a teenage rite of passage to the mysteries of their creation, every inch of this cave whispers tales of yore. Watch till the end for a chance to speculate with our local guide about the intriguing tales behind these ancient artworks. It's a narrative you won't want to miss. From wildlife hikes that mirror the cave's paintings to the ethereal beauty of the Cañón de Río Pinturas, Cueva De Las Manos promises an experience that transcends time. And as we tread lightly, practicing ethical tourism, we ensure that this ancient art endures for eons to come. So, are you ready to touch history, to feel the pulse of millennia gone by? Join us as we delve into Cueva De Las Manos, where every handprint tells a story. A UNESCO gem. Did you know that Cueva De Las Manos was inscribed to the UNESCO World Heritage List in 1999? That's right, this place is not just a cave. It's a testament to humanity's cultural, historical, and artistic evolution. And guess what? It's considered the world's largest rock art gallery. The majority of the art in this cave consists of handprints. But here's the twist. Most of these hands resemble those of a 13-year-old boy. Historians believe this might have been some sort of initiation ceremony. So, next time you think your teenage years were wild, remember these ancient rites of passage. Who painted these? Why? While the most common theory suggests they were created by ancestors of the Tehuelche people, the true purpose remains a mystery. Some say it was a religious ritual, others believe it marked territorial boundaries, and some even think it was hunting magic. Whatever it was, it sure has left us all spellbound. Let's lace up those hiking boots. The trails around Cueva De Las Manos offer a chance to spot wildlife like the elusive puma, soaring condors, and graceful guanacos. And guess what? Some of these animals are also depicted in the cave paintings. Talk about art imitating life. Speculate with your guide. One of the best parts about visiting this place is speculating about the origin and meaning behind the hands. With a local guide by your side, you can dive deep into the stories, theories, and histories that surround these ancient artworks. Trust me, it's like having a live-action mystery novel unfold right before your eyes. Stay at a local estancia. For those looking to immerse themselves in the local culture, consider staying at a nearby estancia or ranch. Experience authentic Argentine ranch culture, support local communities, and enjoy some good old-fashioned hospitality. Capture the beauty. Don't forget to bring your camera. The landscapes surrounding the cave, especially the Cañón de Río Pinturas, are a photographer's dream. Capture the stark beauty of this region and make memories that'll last a lifetime. Engage in ethical tourism. Why the cave's preservation is facilitated by its remote location, it's essential to be respectful. Let's ensure that this ancient art remains intact for future generations. Remember, take only photographs, leave only footprints. Well, adventurers, as we wrap up our journey through time, remember that places like Cueva De Las Manos remind us of our deep-rooted connection to history, art, and nature. It's a testament to humanity's desire to leave a mark, to be remembered. So, the next time you feel the weight of the modern world on your shoulders, remember the hands that once touched these ancient walls and know that our stories, our histories, are etched in time forever. Until our next adventure, keep those hands up and spirits high.